This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in bed. Just what I was saying. Y'all, let me tell you that. It's Pandora. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I installed my own wig. I am in love with it. I can't wait to show y'all like the final product, but I just wanted to show y'all that your girl put her wig on. I haven't styled it or nothing yet, but just wanted y'all to check out the look. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, when I tell y'all I've been anticipating putting a wig on since I got here, this is a birthday wig, right? Later today, we're gonna go get our eyebrows done, and then we're gonna go find like a little top for our outfit that I want to wear tomorrow. But tomorrow is lashes and nails. But anyway, your girl installed her own birthday wig, period. I'm thinking about, you know, how I want to style it or whatnot. We'll see. But I'm still doing some stuff. But I'm just so proud of myself. Like, I'm so happy. I can't believe I did it by myself. I don't know why I didn't think I could, because I'm the hairstylist of the family. So I just be so afraid of things looking so weird. I don't know. I'd be nervous. I've developed this. I told y'all to develop this new weird fear of like doing stuff that I know how to do. But anyway, it's it. I just want to show y'all. I'll show y'all the finished product later because I gotta go to work and
Mama, the TV don't watch it in that room.
You don't watch it in your room.
Huh?
You watch it in your room.
The TV don't work in there.
You can do. We got it to work.
Huh?
We got it to work. But anyway, yeah. So I gotta go to work, but I'll show y'all the finished product later. I am on my way to my lash appointment. Y'all know it's birthday week, period. About to go do maintenance. My birthday is this week on Wednesday, so I went ahead and got my hair done. I did my lashes. My lashes got done this morning, so we got that done, and I did my own wig, y'all. I'm so hype about it. I'm hyped, but at the same time, like, I've never had like a style to wear outside of braids where I don't have no hair out. So this is new to me. How are you in here? Get out. Get. Anyway, sorry, there was a weird little bug in here. Anyway, so yeah, right now we're about to go to our nail appointment. So that's what we're doing. We have to get our nails done. I should be able to record the process. And then after that, tomorrow we're going to basically do like a cute little photo shoot. But I'm going to do it myself because I have the camera. So it's kind of hot. It's cold outside, but it's like hot in here. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to do like a birthday little photo shoot for me. So we got to go grab some stuff from Party City. Grab like a cute little cake and, you know, decorate it, soup it up for the photo shoot or whatnot, so that I can have some cute photos to post on my birthday. But yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing, y'all, because your girl, the real stuff is happening this weekend. I initially set it out for Houston, but your girl don't feel like driving nor flying, and I'm just gonna go to Dallas. So considering I'm gonna go to Dallas for my bday, I'm gonna spend the whole weekend there basically by myself. Not by myself, but my best friend's gonna come with me, and I believe my cousin's gonna come. You know, we're just gonna get out, have some fun, you know, do some you know, some good stuff. Get some stuff done, have some fun. But yeah. Sorry. But yeah, that's basically all we're gonna do. Real chill weekend, chill little birthday vibe. But yeah, your girl has to go get these nails done, so that's what we're about to go do.
This
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. You too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. Don't feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I've been dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had a Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. Tears in the present, so I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like it when I'm working on my aim. You too hard, charge it to the car. Design it to the ground like a balance by the name. You too hard, crushing on the floor. You gon' fuck around and drown. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little life, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little life, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. It's so pretty outside, y'all. Look how pretty it is. Whoa. Time my balloons flew away. We secured the ballooniums. They're all flying all over the place. Shit. The balloons for the photo shoot. Woo! That was like a workout. Them balloons are like strong when they're flying in the wind. Jeez. So what I have to do now, go home, set up for the shoot, and then I kind of still don't know exactly where I want to shoot at. I guess, if that makes sense. Like, I don't really know. I'm thinking the room, because I have like a white, excuse me, sorry. I have like a white background type of thing, so I can, you know, just use that as the white background. I'm debating, I don't really know. Because that's the only place that's like really clear of, you know, for me to take pictures and make a mess. I'm gonna do it in the room. So we're gonna set that up and then get some pictures taken. I'm probably gonna use my phone and the camera just to see, you know, just to try everything. Ugh. I'm shedding like crazy. Anyway, but yeah, I gotta go style my hair and whatnot, and then, I mean, it's kind of fun, but I feel like I need to curl this again because these curls fail. I had this like really curled and it was cute, so I gotta go curl it, get it a fresh curl, and then look, I'm shedding. It's not even coming off. It's stuck on my ring. Anyway, but yeah, I gotta go get, y'all see it? I gotta go get I'll get a little cake from Walmart, and then I can head to the house. So Walmart's the next stop, and then we'll be home. I'm probably not gonna film Walmart because I don't even fuck with Walmart like that. I hate Walmart. But anyway, so yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the house so we can do these photo shoots. We ended up coming right here, so the angle will be kind of like this. I guess I could show y'all. Like, you see where the camera is? Cuticles. So I have it in my hand and I can take the pictures. I did everything by myself. Okay, look. I'm gonna put the video on here so y'all can see in real time. Let's focus. Cuticles. All the confetti on the floor because I did like a confetti type of shoot type of thing. I did only 2 shots with it because it came with 3, but it was fine. And then here's a little cake. You see her? She cute, girl. She cute. Anyway, this was the fit. but the shots are mainly like just gonna be just the top. So I was just really focusing on the top, and then my cute little necklace because it's a Taurus. You know, that's the vibes. But that's pretty much it. That's all I'm doing for the birthday shoot. Now I gotta get the pictures together and edit the pictures, and then have them ready to post on Wednesday. But as far as right now, it's a wrap. I'm so happy. These are so cute though. I did it all by myself. All by myself. Right? Like cute. Anyway. Big 27. I don't think I'm ready for it, but you know. Can't stop it now. Anyway. What else do I gotta do? Oh, I actually gotta go get my eyebrows done because Wednesday come. Everything needs to be on point, although I look mighty cute. If I do say so myself. But yeah. We gotta go get these eyebrows done, but that's pretty much it, y'all, for this video. We did our little prep for the birthday and whatnot. I guess I'll do like a... Actually, the real fun is coming this weekend. We're gonna be in Dallas all motherfucking weekend. So that's where the real fun gonna come. So stay tuned for that vlog. That's what we getting for it. But if y'all stay tuned this long, y'all just chilled out with me for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe button. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to comment. So, much love. Bye, you guys.